doing, man?
Good on yourself?
Good, good. Hey, man, so I can see you, either stay over there. I don't want to have to keep turning back towards you. No, you can record all you want, all right? Just somewhere I can see you, okay? Not behind you.
Be a fucking man.
Did you guys know that the Supreme Court has ruled that recording public officials in the course of their duties is 100% legal? That's right, folks. Not only do you have the right to record police officers, but you also have a right to ask questions. That is part of your First Amendment. So let me ask you guys, why is it that police officers tend to get upset when they see a camera? Well, I gotta be honest, not all police officers do. We do have some police officers with good attitudes, and they don't mind to leave and wave hello. But this one right here, that's not what he's gonna do. You guys go subscribe to Auditing Chicago, let him know I sent you. Let's get right to it.
How you doing?
We're late.
I know. Car crash, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. Oh, something happened. I mean no harm. Come on, what?
I tell you, hey, just stay somewhere I can see you, man, so I don't have to keep looking back.
Am I being detained?
No, I'm just telling you, it's a respect thing, right? Hey, Chop. Hey, Chop. Yeah. Just wait till the toe. He's doing it on purpose. That's all.
I'm not doing it on purpose, officer. Why you gotta be afraid? I have no weapons.
What's up, man?
What's up? You don't gotta be scared though.
Okay.
I mean no ill will.
Without the camera in my face, can we just talk like?
No.
Don't. Okay, well then we're
No.
not gonna talk.
It's fine.
But just so you know, if you take my attention away from what I'm doing and stuff, you're technically good. I mean,
Your ADD is not my problem. Huh? Your ADD is not my problem.
Difficulty staying on task, being easily distracted, constantly losing things, and never finishing projects all are telltale signs of adult attention deficit disorder.
not ADD, it's safety related, right?
Well, it's officer safety, right?
Yep, officer safety.
How about citizen safety?
Okay. That's
Officer
fine.
safety is cowardness.
Record, right?
I know I can. I don't have to. I don't need permission from you, do I?
No, you don't.
Okay then.
If
I'm in public,
delay, yes. You
how?
Will. You've had a run-in with Officer Burgess, correct?
Yes, I did.
Okay, how did that end for you? What happened?
Why? What do I need to
I already
answer?
know what happened.
Okay, if you already know, then why are you asking me?
I already know what happened.
All right.
Okay.
I never had a problem.
I don't want that to happen again. That's all I'm saying, man.
So is that a threat?
I don't want to do anything.
Okay, how am I impeding you from doing your job?
Because my back is turned to you. I don't like it when people are behind my back.
Well,
I can't see you.
That's not my problem. Your ADD is not my problem, though.
Okay. Well, I've already warned you.
All right. Is that a threat?
No, that's not a threat.
No. Is that a promise? You know you're violating the VANAC, right?
Huh?
You know you're violating the VANAC, right?
You know you're...
Power does what it wants. Power does what it wants. Power does what it wants.
Highlighting it on me, right?
Well, you're pointing it at my camera. You violated my rights.
Okay?
You violated my rights. You know that, right?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I want to see what you're doing. You keep trying to go towards my back, and now you have a flashlight in my face. That's all I'm doing, man. I want to see what you're doing.
Why are you so scared?
It's an officer safety thing, sir.
Officer safety is a cowardness.
Huh?
Officer safety is something coward.
That's your opinion, sir.
It's not my opinion. It's a fact.
I want to go home.
I want to go home too.
Okay. I'm not talking to you.
You're talking to me right now, aren't you?
You're putting yourself.
What's your
in
name
this
and badge
situation,
number?
Sir.
What is
I'm
your name?
Officer Garcia.
All right.
Badge number 20909.
All right. Can you get that off my light?
Can you get it up? Can you turn your light off?
Nope.
Well, then no. Your light's in my face, so I have to be able
Your
to see
light's
what
in my
you're doing.
face.
You're blinding me, sir.
Can you get that off?
No, you're blinding me with your light.
How am I blinding you?
Your light's in my face, sir.
Well, walk away.
Why would I walk
Walk away. If it's in your face, walk away.
No, you can get further away.
No, I cannot.
Okay?
You can walk away.
Pass then, sir. For
The
my
what?
safety, I'm going to look at what you're doing.
Can I get a supervisor out here?
Sac 1273. He'll be on his way, okay?
And this is the face of a tyrant.
You keep flashing that light in my face.
Is that in your face?
It is.
How is that in your face?
What you're doing, sir. Your back dropping. I have zero problem with you recording, but when my safety is compromised,
How is your safety being compromised?
I can't see with the light in my face. Light so it's not blinding me. Can you see what's going on behind this light? Okay, my sergeant's going, okay? Hey, can I go to the office? Yeah, just step up.
Is that a mullet? Dude, can I watch you shake it? Shake your mullet.
Yeah. It's just the 180, and then that's it. Okay, thanks.
You might want to talk to your partner. You already know what I do.
Yeah.
You might want to talk to him. Stop flashing his light on my camera, because that is a big neck. It wasn't his face. You might want to talk to him.
I'm sure whatever video you have, I was over here checking out the car.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Now you already know what I do. I'm guessing Franchini, Taylor, and them already know who we are too, and told you that we no threat.
You wanted a supervisor?
Not anymore, but I do need a complaint form.
You know how to get there.
Where's your office at?
Come on, man.
I do. But
Be open.
you might want to talk to him though.
See what's going on.
Get in a tow truck?
Yeah, so I'm gonna stay here with
Alright.
Good with you?
Huh?
You good?
I'm good.
Take care of this car.
Alright. Be safe out there, okay?
What's all this officer safety nonsense, folks? I thought they're supposed to be brave men and women of law enforcement. How can they be brave and be cowards at the same time? That, my friends, is police hypocrisy 101, and no one points it out better than San Joaquin Valley Transparency. You guys go subscribe to Auditing Chicago. He's been recording police for a long time. He did lose one of his channels, so he had to start back up. And he's also been living out in California recording police up in the Sacramento area. Before you go, we're going to teach you the First Amendment of the Constitution. You have a freedom of speech, you have a freedom of press, you have a freedom of religion, you have the freedom to assemble, and a freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.
When it seems like government officials, court clerks, or the police are speaking English, they aren't. They're speaking legalese, designed to make you agree to verbal and written contracts without even knowing about it, all spun from Black's Law Dictionary. For example, when the police say, "Do you understand?" you'll say, "Yes." What they are really saying is, "Do you stand under our authority?" Oopsie-daisy, you just created a verbal contract with them. Oh, you clever government.